What if I told you that the life you're living today isn't just a result of chance? What if your thoughts, beliefs, and focus held the secret to creating the reality you've always dreamed of? Stay with me, because in the next few minutes I'm going to reveal 9 powerful truths that could completely transform how you see and shape your life. You are the creator of your reality. Whether you realize it or not, your thoughts act as the blueprint for your life. Every belief you hold about yourself and the world around you manifests into the circumstances you face. Are you stuck in patterns of struggle and hardship, or are you welcoming abundance and joy? The answer lies in the narrative your mind has been repeating. Thoughts are seeds of reality. Everything begins as a thought. The skyscrapers piercing the sky, the groundbreaking technologies we depend on, they all started in someone's imagination. Your thoughts are no different. They are the seeds from which your experiences grow. What are you planting today? Imagination shapes reality. Your mind doesn't distinguish between what's real and what's vividly imagined. Close your eyes. Envision a life filled with love, success, and fulfillment. Feel it. When you connect emotionally to this vision, you're laying the groundwork for it to become your reality. But remember, imagination alone isn't enough. It needs a strong foundation of belief. Belief is your framework. Imagine planting a seed in barren soil. It can't thrive. Similarly, if your beliefs are riddled with doubt and fear, your dreams will struggle to take root. Transforming your reality requires cultivating beliefs that align with the life you desire. Challenge your doubts and replace them with empowering truths. What you focus on expands. Your mind is a powerful amplifier. Focus on problems and they multiply. Focus on opportunities and they flourish. This isn't just a motivational phrase, it's how your brain is wired. By shifting your attention toward gratitude and growth, you create a mental environment ripe for abundance. Emotions fuel manifestation. Belief is the framework, but emotion is the energy that brings it to life. Truly feel the joy, love, and confidence of your envisioned life as if it's already real. This emotional signal becomes a beacon, drawing your dreams into reality. Live as if you've already achieved it. This is the secret to aligning your external world with your internal vision. Instead of waiting for success or happiness to arrive, embody those feelings now. Want financial freedom? Act from a place of abundance. Desire love? Embrace feelings of companionship and joy. The universe responds to what you embody. Challenges are part of creation. Life will test your resolve. Storms will come, but remember, while you can't always control the weather, you can choose how to navigate through it. Challenges are opportunities to refine your focus, strengthen your beliefs, and grow into the person capable of holding the life you're manifesting. Persistence is key. Transformation takes time. The law of assumption tells us that the reality you want exists. It's just waiting for you to align with it. Persist in your belief, even when external circumstances suggest otherwise. Success isn't about avoiding setbacks. It's about holding the vision through them. Your life is your canvas. Every thought, every belief, every moment of focus is a stroke of the brush on the canvas of your life. Are you painting a masterpiece or letting someone else scribble over your dreams? You don't have to wait for the perfect moment. The perfect moment begins now. Start by choosing one of these truths to embrace today. Imagine it, believe it, feel it, and watch as your dream life begins to take shape. What will you create next?